Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viral Edit.
Have some collection of wonderful logo ideas for editing for your Facebook or Instagram pages. So as you are seeing stylish logos on the screen and want to know how to make them or how to change them in the Pixellab, you just have to follow my upcoming videos in which I will teach you how to make or how to change these stylish logos. So here the task up to you is that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In this way you will get notification when I will upload my next video. So guys, if you want to download these logos too, you can download them by the link given in the description of this video. Along with this, if you need stylish PNGs or shape PNGs, colorful shape PNGs, stylish fonts, background images, you will get all of these things in the description of my video. Must visit once. So let me know what kind of editing material you require or you need. I will provide you soon. Like, comment, share my videos and join my WhatsApp and Facebook group. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in next video very soon.